This thing's in my way.
Are you gonna put that on? This is the right way?
Yep. Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're making my strawberry watermelon juice. It's just 3 ingredients and it's super refreshing. I love watermelon. It's one of my biggest pregnancy cravings with my daughter and now with my second baby. So we're gonna be using some fresh cut watermelon. We always have it in the house, so that's our first ingredient. And then we're also going to be using some strawberries. I'm using frozen strawberries to give it that icy component. Now, if you don't have frozen strawberries, you could use fresh strawberries and add in some ice. It'll do just the same, but I love having frozen strawberries in the house because they're great for so many things. If you haven't even tried our chia seed jam, you have to try it. We use frozen strawberries for that, and it's so delicious. I could eat it by the spoonful. And then we're just going to use a little bit of fresh lemon. I love to add a little bit of fresh lemon. You could also use fresh lime juice, or you could even leave it out if you don't like that little bit of sourness. You could use as much or as little as you want. I like to use a whole lemon, but sometimes people like a little bit less, like a half a lemon. I love tart. So let's get started. We're going to put all this into our Vitamix. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna dump in that watermelon. The watermelon's gonna hit the blades and liquefy right away. Then we're gonna hit in our strawberries. And then I'm just gonna squeeze in that lemon juice. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit loud when we turn this on. If you're wearing a headset, you might wanna lower the volume or even take them out. And 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, it's having a little bit of a problem, so all we have to do is take this middle piece out and then put our tamper tool right down and drive those ingredients into the blade. That's it. Just needed a little head start. And I'm going to turn it up so we get it really liquefied. It's almost like a strawberry daiquiri, but pregnancy safe. And kid friendly too. And I think that's good. I'm happy with this consistency. And if you wanted it icier, you could even use more strawberries. It's all up to however you want it. It didn't drip this time, but it will. It will. There it goes. Drip. It's gonna go in the blender. It's fine. I'm thirsty. So here we go. Cheers. This is so delicious and it's so frosty, and look at that beautiful pink red. I'm gonna put a little strawberry on the side for like a little picture worthy. This looks like Instagram, right? Like, you guys have to try this recipe. It's one of our favorites. We actually double the recipe and we'll put it into popsicle molds. My daughter loves it. She's like, Mommy, can you make those strawberry watermelon popsicles? I probably get asked that about once a week. We like to make our own popsicles at home because we can control the ingredients. It's really fun and it's good to get the kids involved with that as well. So, cheers. It is so sweet, but then you get that tartness from the lemon. It's a really good contrast of flavors. Like I said, you could try it with lime, which was also really one of my favorites. I love lime, lemon, either one. I wouldn't do orange or grapefruit because like I don't feel like that works, but the lemon or the lime definitely work in this recipe. We hope you like this as much as we do. If you try it, be sure to let us know how you think it tastes because I want to know what you guys think. My family loves this drink. It's really like a strawberry daiquiri almost, but like we don't have any alcohol in it. Kid friendly. You can have it while you're pregnant. So it's something everybody can enjoy, and it doesn't have any of those like liquid concentrates or anything. It's all fresh fruit right into the blender. And if you don't have a Vitamix, you can use it in your blender. It may take a little bit longer because this one like really pulverizes it quickly, but it's so good. It's so simple. It's so refreshing. and you can make as much or as little as you want. I could have easily doubled this recipe in my blender. So I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next week with another delicious recipe, and I'm gonna enjoy this now. Bye, guys. This is in my way.
Are you gonna put the hand? This is the right way?
Yep.